When we think about flowers, freshness spread around us. The beautiful colors of the flowers tells us the story of the beauty of life. Today I will paint one of these flowers, bluebell flowers. This tutorial will be very helpful for the beginners. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon if you are visiting for the first time. Catch me on Instagram and Facebook. Let's make a memorable journey together. I have already done my bluebell flowers drawing on the newsprint sheet. Put the image under the fabric and draw it with the pencil. Start applying the transparent gutta on the fabric. I am using Habutai silk for my bluebell flowers. Hold the gutta properly in the hand. When you will start to apply the gutta on the fabric, follow the drawing lines carefully and avoid the breaks in the gutta. Your color will spread if there is any break in the gutta outline. Leave the fabric to dry after gutta. Apply the colors in the leaves like yellow, yellow ochre, and different shades of green like light green, olive green, dark green. Paint the stems with olive green, dark green, and yellow ochre. Apply the water in the flowers and paint it with light blue, cobalt blue, purple, and black. Blending of two colors is difficult in silk painting, but when your fabric is wet, that time you can easily blend the colors on the surface of the fabric. Add thin lines in the flowers with dark blue with small round brush. When the flower is dry, make lines with blue color inside it. I am using very light color in the background. I added 20% burnt brown in 80% water and make it very light. I am using my color in background directly, but if you are using little dark color, then apply the water on the fabric and then paint it. I have done my painting, now remove it from the wooden frame. Iron it from the both sides. I used silk paints which are iron fixed. If you are using silk dyes, follow the instructions given on the dyes label. After ironing the fabric, dip it in the water for 3 to 5 minutes if you have used transparent gutta for outline. After 5 minutes, take out the fabric from the water and let it dry, and iron it again. My silk painting art piece is ready. I am sure you enjoyed the video. If you want to ask any question, please write in the comment box. Thumbs up if you like the video and subscribe my channel before you go. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay happy. Goodbye.